Hey folks, how you going? Sky Pilot here. Welcome to my channel. Yes, I've got the X-Night here, the little 4-inch BetaFPV, absolute cracker, 1200 TVL camera, 4S850 on the butt there. Everything's standard, plug and play, crossfire. Links down below, guys, where you get this from, and full text and specs, of course. I'm just going to take it for a fly around the oval here. A little bit of wind. And I'm just going to see how that 200 milliwatt VTX performs, and we'll see how far we can get out. This thing is a great little quad, really nice to fly, super strong, and if you're even contemplating getting one, there's a massive sale on, so don't wait too long or you will miss out. As you'll soon find out, this thing is an absolute beast. Enough chit chat, thanks guys, comment below, thumbs up, much appreciated. Let's get cracking. I think you'll all agree, guys, this thing is really nice to fly. And that 1200 TVL camera, what an absolute beast. Have a look at that, guys. Really, really nice. TBS Crossfire here today. No onboard recording, but do we really need it? I don't think so. Outstanding. BetaFPV do make a really nice bit of kit. I think you'll all agree. Oh, well, look at that. Good stuff, guys. Okay, let's try that range test. As I said, normally I go to around here and it starts breaking up fairly significantly. However, okay, let's slow it down, a little bit of interference there. Considering the 200 milliwatt capacity of this VTX, I'm really impressed with that. This is actually performing a lot better than other quads with 4 to 500 VTXs. That's awesome, guys, look at that, really good. Good stuff. Okay, I don't think we'll go up any higher. Let's go for a nip around. I think there's somebody working on the oval, so I don't really want to disturb them. Let's do a flyby. You guys can have a listen. Punch out. Yeah, it's pretty decent. Oh, no one's shooting at me. Okay, I won't go too far out, guys. There are a few people around here. Let's finish off with a bit of line of sight and some final thoughts. There's a bit of Wi-Fi coming from that building, I know that, so it does tend to break up there a fair bit. Okay, let's just land it over here. Let us know what you think, guys. If you like it, if you want one. This is really nice to fly. BetaFPV 4-inch racer. What a beauty.